In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an account on Indeed so you can start searching and applying for jobs quickly and easily. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have your account ready to go. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone and go to the Indeed website. You can do this by typing the site address into the address bar at the top of your browser, then pressing enter. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the familiar Indeed logo and a search area where people normally look for jobs. Once the homepage has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the option that says sign in. On some devices, especially on smaller screens like a phone, this might be in a menu icon, often shown as three horizontal lines. If you see that menu instead, tap or click it, then look for the sign in option there. Go ahead and click or tap sign in to move to the next screen. Now you're on the sign in page. Here you'll see a few different ways to access an account, but since you're creating a new one, you want the option that says create an account. This is usually shown as a link or button underneath the main sign-in fields. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing create an account rather than trying to sign in with details you don't have yet. Once you've found it, click or tap create an account. Next, Indeed will ask for your email address and a password. This is the information you'll use every time you log in, so it's important to get it right and choose something secure. In the email field, type an email address that you have access to and check regularly. This might be a personal email you use for important messages. Avoid using someone else's email because you may need to confirm your account or receive job alerts later. Below the email box, you'll see a space to create your password. Choose a password that is strong and not easy to guess, but still something you can remember. A good password often mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. As you type, you may see a small indicator showing if your password is weak or strong. If the site gives suggestions, it's a good idea to follow them for better security. Now, recheck what you've entered. Make sure your email address is spelled correctly, since even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving important notifications. Confirm that your password looks the way you want it to. When you're confident everything is correct, look for the button to continue or confirm your new account. This button may say something like create account or continue with email. Click or tap this button to complete the process. Once you've done that, Indeed may ask you to verify your email by sending a message to the address you provided. If that happens, just open your email inbox, find the message from Indeed, and follow the instructions inside, usually by clicking a confirmation link. And that's it. You've created your account on Indeed, and you're ready to start exploring job listings, saving opportunities, and applying with just a few clicks.